Hi everyone, so today I'm here to tell you how we can turn off email notifications from Google Classroom. For that, click on these three dots and you will see Classroom. And the next screen that will appear, it will be related to Google Classroom classes that you are teaching or co-teaching. I suggest you to click on these three bars and drag down and you will see last option is settings. When you will click on last option, you can find here notifications, comments, and in the end class notifications. Let's start from notifications. I want to receive email notifications, so I can turn it on, and but you can also turn it off if you don't want to receive email notifications. But because I really want to see some notifications, so I just turn it on. And comments you can select as per your choice. If you want to receive comments on your post, email notifications or comments that mention your name, and you can turn it on. And if you don't want, you can turn it off like that. This is really very simple. So the next thing is that, like, I really don't want to receive comments or work or other posts from teachers, so I just turned it off. And if like return work or grades from other teachers, so I turned it off also. If you will see in the end, there is an option class notification. If you will click on that, this is about overall class notifications. So you can see here social emotional learning or any class that you want to turn notifications off. You can just click on that and that's it. Thank you so much for watching.